Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps necessary to find duplicate information within Excel. There are two ways to do it that I'm going to cover. The first is simply the find function, which you can access by either hitting Command F on your keyboard, and it'll give you the option to find something. In here I just searched for 91, that was the last search that I performed. Or you can go to Edit and select Find or Replace. For this instance, I'll show you how to replace. It'll give you the option to find different things within the document in this area here. So let's find the grade 91. Let's say for some reason I'm a teacher and everyone who scored a 91, I really want to score 100, give them an extra 9 points on the test. So I'm going to replace this 91 with 100, and you would type that right in there. And then the reason the asterisk was in there is just to keep place of the fact that I'm replacing that information. Obviously you don't have to do that yourself, but you would click Replace All, and then within your document it'll tell you that you replaced 6 of them within your document. You can close out of this, and you can see that here are 2 of them that were replaced right here. The 91s were replaced with 100s. If you want to find information in a list, let's say it's a phone number. If you have hundreds of phone numbers and you obviously can't look through every single one of them to see if there are duplicates, what you want to do is make sure that all the phone numbers are formatted the same exact way, because Excel will only find things that are exact duplicates. So this number here is a little bit different from these ones. It's formatted differently. I'm going to make it the same. Here that. And then we'll need to sort to make sure that if there are any duplicates, they're next to each other in the list. To do that, you highlight the rows, go into Data, Sort, select the column that you'd like to sort. For us today, it's going to be the K column, and it's sorted on values, which is good. Hit OK, and now you'll see that they are in numerical order. In another column, select a cell, type inside of it equals exact, open parenthesis, select the first cell, comma, the cell below it, end parenthesis, return, and now you have a statement that's checking to see if this cell is the same exact information as the cell beneath it. Copy this information down, and you can see that we had one instance, it comes up as true, where the information is the same. And that's how to locate information within an Excel document. Thanks.